Once again, this is the Kuraki KV700, built in 1992. It's a vertical machining center, and it was a trade-in from one of our customers. We are one of the largest Kuraki dealers here in Southeast Texas, Japan Machine Tools. This is in a very good working condition. We did a maintenance check. The X travel is 28.35 inch, Y travel is 15.75, and the Z travel is 19.69. Comes with an automatic tool changer, altogether about 24 tools, ATC, including the manual, and it has 2 pallets. And the surface of the table is 39.37 inch by 18.11 inch. This is checked by our service department, maintained. It's been taken apart and put back together, tested. You are more than welcome to come take a look. We're about 20 minutes away from George Bush Airport. We can pick you up. This is the Fanuc control, the Series 15-M, all working in good working condition. And this is the covers. So you're almost looking at a new machine. This is a used trade-in, and contact us at our email address and telephone number. Ask for Bob, the Internet Sales Manager for Japan Machine Tools.